In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Claude Code on a Windows PC step by step so you can get set up quickly and start using it with confidence. Whether you're completely new to Claude Code or you just want a simple walkthrough, this guide will make the process easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to claude.com/product/Claude Code. This is the official page where you can download Claude Code for Windows and get started safely. Once the page loads, look for the download option for Windows and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the installer to your computer. After the download finishes, open the file and start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, and once it's installed, launch Claude Code on your Windows PC. The next step is to sign in with your account. This is important because Claude Code needs to connect to your profile before you can use its features. Enter your login details and complete the sign-in process. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and choose Code. This is where you'll access the Claude Code experience and the tools related to coding workflows. Once you're inside, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. Take a moment to review the options carefully, then select the plan that fits your needs and complete the purchase. After your plan is active, you're ready to start using Claude Code on Windows. From here, you can begin working inside the interface and exploring the features available to you. The setup process is really that simple. Go to the official Claude Code page, download the Windows version, sign in, open the code section, choose your plan, and purchase it. Once that's done, Claude Code is ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.